train.
Great, is it? It's the imagination. Child's imagination. You're going to go into the middle part then? Show me how that window works.
Can you open the window?
Oh, wait, that's the one. It even opens like a train window. Just the top part opening.
Oh my goodness. Who's in your train today?
No. You can't do that.
This way.
When you're going to have a go at driving it then?
Hello.
Millie?
Do you want to drive?
Are you driving at that end?
Yes, the driver's